Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome also to my C#.NET tutorial for beginners. And we are now at our lesson number 6. I'm just going to introduce you to some of the alternatives for Visual Studio if you just wish to practice coding um, um, on a different PC or laptop where you don't have a Visual Studio installed. When I was younger, I usually practice programming on a daily basis on my laptop, and that was during the time I was focused on programming in Visual Fox Pro. I don't remember that there was a day that I was not programming, and just to practice my coding to enhance my coding skill. That's what I do around 2004 and 2008 until I was hired in an actual programming job. So anyway, if you have a laptop, or if you are somewhere, if you are in your friend's house and they have a computer or laptop that you could borrow for a while just to practice for a few minutes, they may not have Visual Studio, so there are alternative editor or code editor that you can use which are online, and one of them is the .NET Fiddle.net. The other one that I know of is the onecompiler.com/C#. Both of these online compiler can be a good help if you're just going to practice your coding, if you're going to practice coding with C#.net. Let's go ahead and try the .NET field first. If you're new to programming, I suggest that you always keep on writing, routines, small snippets, and solving small problems using the programming language of your choice. And in our case, it is C#.net. So let's just I'm just going to give you an example of what you can do in an online compiler for C#.net. So you can do coding here without the support of forms, and just plainly write your codes and output it using the console commands. So here, whenever you open this .NET Fiddle, for example, I'm going to refresh it. It's already giving you a snippet for you to code faster. And you can also select other programming language in here. If you're adept with VB.NET, or if you want to try VB.NET, you can just select it. Otherwise, if you want to stick with C#, just select C# and choose the right compiler for you. I always select the latest one, so at least it matches my Visual Studio in my laptop. Going back to our topic, okay, for example, if we're going to find a distance when speed and time are both given, first we're gonna get the formulas. So the formula for distance is equal to speed times time, and the formula for speed, determining speed, is speed is equal to distance divided by time. And likewise, the formula for that, getting the time spent on traveling, can be time is equal to distance divided by speed. So now that you have the formulas, you can actually practice your coding skill using this given data. So I mean formulas. Let's go ahead and try. Let's just declare a few variables that we have learned the last time. So declaring the variables will be like d is equal for the distance, right? Let's just say the distance from Manila to our province is around 360 kilometers. And So we're going to get the time if the both distance and speed are given. Let's just say that the speed of the car that I was driving is averaging about 60. That's the speed kilometers per hour. Okay, now that we both have, now that we have the necessary given data, we're going to figure out let's just make it S for speed. Now we can compute for time because we already have the formula for determining time. So let's do this. Int. So wait, what's going on with the keyboard? So our formula for determining time is distance, which is our letter D, and divide that by S, or it's the speed, and you'll get the time spent. Now we can just modify. Now we can modify this output and change this to, this will be hour. Sorry, yes. The ETA is run again 6 hour. Okay, so here it is. So our distance kilometer from Manila to Nueva Ecija, our province, is 360 kilometers. I'm not really sure if that's the correct one, but we can actually Google it. Distance from Manila to Nueva Ecija. It's around 179 kilometers. Okay, now that we know the figure, we can change this to 179. And if we're traveling at 60 kilometers per hour, how many hours will it going to take us to travel from Manila to Nueva Ecija? Click run, and it says 2 hours. Assuming that you're not going to encounter heavy traffic flow, yes, for 2 hours you can arrive at Nueva Ecija. So that's how easy it is to use this online compiler or write your small code snippets. Then we can try that as well with the one compiler. So all you need to do is copy this code snippet and paste it here and run. So as you can see from here, the value or the output is also the same, 2 hours. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day everyone. Leave your comments at the comment section below for me to read later. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Again, goodbye.